Well, hey everyone, Dave Cook, Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are in the bee yard again today. So I couldn't videotape it earlier. One, it was too hot to be playing with the video camera and everything else. I was a sweaty mess after I got done with this. So we requeened this one 2 weeks ago. So she's laying eggs and it was full of them, which is really good. And we put new frames in it that were kind of getting funky. And kind of see the bees on the purple one, they're kind of coming outside because of the heat. So we used the rest of our supers. We only had 2 more left, and the supers are the ones that go on top. We only had 2 more left that had the right kind of frame in there. We had a different honeybee that we were trying out. It didn't work. They all died over the winter. So we just got done ordering some new foundation for the cells and the bees. So we added a box for this one and a box for this one. So this one, I can't add any more. It's just too big. But the bees are going nuts in that hive. It's absolutely amazing how well they're doing. So if all goes well, this one, it has stuff in there. As far as the comb, not sure how they'll do. That one was half empty, half full of comb. And then this one, we'll probably put one on as soon as I get a new super, and this one we definitely need to get a super on that one. So usually a week of 4th of July is when you kind of pull. With this one, we could pull that one, that we could pull those out of there, and we could pull these 2 out of there immediately if we wanted to. And actually we could probably pull both of those. They got so much honey in it. So we average about 10 pound a box. So minus the 2 new ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So almost probably 9 for sure. So right now we're figuring approximately 100 pounds of honey is what we should be pulling out here in a week. If we can get the supers on here this week, and I'll put an empty one on there, and then put an empty one on each of them, so they have to build out comb and let them start working on that. So if we do that, we could probably be with about 130 pounds of honey in a few weeks, and then process the honey as fast as we can and get it out here. So the faster we can get it out here, the faster they can start putting it in again. And if all goes well, September, maybe I'll pull out another 100 pounds. So that'd be a great year. But bees are doing good. We'll kind of do another post as we add more on there. As we lifted those, I think them things must have weighed 80 pounds between the bees and the honey and the wax. Those were stupid heavy. I can't remember pulling one off there that heavy before. But there's an update from the bee yard. Hopefully you got questions about painting and wallpaper. You can send us a message. Otherwise, hope you enjoy some of our free honey samples as we come out and do estimates and complete jobs for you.